Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Celestial Moon, where I discuss a variety of topics centered on harnessing your divine spiritual magic. Today's video will shed light on the Pentacle suit and a tarot deck. I'll dive into what each card in the Pentacle suit of the Minor Arcana represents so you know exactly what you're dealing with if you pull up one of these cards in a tarot reading. And there's so many ways to interpret the meaning of the cards, and this is just a general summary. If I happen to miss any, please feel free to leave a comment and help educate me and the rest of our community. As you learn more about tarot, you'll see that the meanings are subjective. Quick note, for the purpose of this video, I will be using the Wild Unknown tarot deck, which I've personally been vibing with lately, but feel free to use any tarot deck that speaks to you. So quick refresh, the Minor Arcana holds a total of 56 cards, which are divided into 4 suits, most commonly referred to as Wands, Cups, Swords, and Pentacles. Each suit has 14 cards, numbered Ace through 10, and then the last 4 cards are referred to as the Court cards, which represent different personality types, attitude, and temperament. These court cards are usually named Page, Knight, Queen, and King, but in certain decks they are given other names. In the Wild Unknown tarot deck, court cards are named Daughter, Son, Mother, and Father. The Minor Arcana of the tarot symbolizes daily aspects of life, giving insight into our challenges, any talents we possess, opportunities we may be presented with, experiences we may go through, or ups and downs that life may present us with. Each suit has an element that it is associated with. Wands are represented by fire, swords are air, cups are water, and pentacles are earth. In addition to that, wands deal with creativity and the pursuit of endeavors. Cups relate to emotions and the realm of feeling. Swords deal with thoughts and ideas, and pentacles shed light on finances and monetary concerns. Determining a card's significance in a reading is dependent upon the question, the reader, the person receiving the reading, and the placement of other cards in the tarot spread or layout that you choose. Try to keep that in mind as we go through the meaning of the different cards in the Pentacle suit. Now let's jump in. The Ace of Pentacles. This card represents good fortune coming your way. Needless to say, this is a fantastic card to pull in a reading. It could suggest you're about to come into money, maybe a job offer, or a romantic connection is ready to make a commitment to you. It symbolizes the potential for a bright future in the making. Blessings on blessings. In the reverse position, this card can represent financial difficulty or even poor health. Taking that a step further, this is a huge indicator that you don't necessarily know what to do with the blessings that the universe provides to you. And when you do receive these gifts, you sometimes self-sabotage. My message to you is, honey, you are deserving. Accept those flowers. The Two of Pentacles. This is a card of multitasking, finding balance and embracing change. In the realm of love, it could indicate dating multiple people until you find the right match. The Two of Pentacles promotes prioritizing the important stuff in your life. It encourages you to confidently dabble in a variety of things, but always maintain responsibility for what you decide to take on. In the reverse position, it may represent being overwhelmed by your tasks and having too much on your plate. The Three of Pentacles. Major key themes include teamwork and collaboration. It says that success is imminent if you are able to pull support from other people and accomplish a common goal. Being a natural born leader is great, but you also need to know when to remove the ego, roll up your sleeves, and join the rest of the team to get things done. As they say, teamwork makes the dream work. Cringe, but true. In the reverse position, narcissism and the inability to work as a team are major key themes. The Four of Pentacles. This card represents careful management and conservation, being careful with your assets and your possessions. This is usually a miserly or even a greedy person, or it can be a message to tighten up those purse strings. Just because you want it doesn't mean you have to have it. Think bigger picture and long term. In the reverse position, a few major key themes include frugality, inflexibility, and carelessness. The Five of Pentacles usually means you've hit a bump in the road. Loss is a huge theme when it comes to this card. It could be loss of financial status, loss of good health, or even loss of confidence. In the reverse position, this card lets you know that this current state of loss is only temporary and to have a little bit of faith that things will look up soon enough. The Six of Pentacles. This card is such a relief after the heaviness of the Five of Pentacles. It provides restorative balance. The Six of Pentacles represents support, generosity, financial assistance. It doesn't necessarily mean mean all of your issues, monetary or not, will be resolved, but it is a message that there will be reprieve soon. If you find yourself down on your luck and someone offers to help, accept the charity being offered graciously, and vice versa, be kind-hearted and offer assistance to someone in need. Now, quick story time. Whenever I pull the Six of Pentacles, it always takes me back to this one time years ago when I was hanging out with a friend in Queens, New York. Like the scatterbrain Gemini that I am, I somehow managed to lose my wallet, which is very on brand for me. It was summer, so we walked like 10 miles that day, and I just knew there was no way we were gonna find it. I was super annoyed, but I wasn't stressed because I literally lose things all the time. Like I lose my mind on a daily basis. Anyways, a day or two later, I got a package in the mail, which I was very confused about because Amazon didn't exist the way it does now. I was a little nervous, but I opened up the package and there was my wallet. Like, there was also a note included that said something along the lines of, hey, I found your wallet. I took a few bucks to mail it. Pay it forward. I just thought this was the coolest thing ever, like straight out of a movie, and it restored my faith in humanity. Now, I know it's a lot, but it really did. Now, every time I pull up the Six of Pentacles, I just have this overwhelming urge to do good or be helpful because it reminds me of that time. The Six of Pentacles doesn't have to mean giving someone money. It could just be doing something selfless that makes someone smile. Now, back to the cards. In the reverse position, the Six of Pentacles represents imbalance or one-sidedness, selfishness, or resisting help. The Seven of Pentacles says that you have been patient and persistent as you sowed the seeds of your long-term investments or goals, and the fruits of your labor are ripe for picking. This card is a reminder that while we may live in an age of instant gratification, sometimes the best things in life take time to grow. In the reverse position, this card represents impatience and inconsistency. The Eight of Pentacles. This card is commonly related to apprenticeship or mastery of skills. You're learning how to do something different, you're obtaining a new skill. This card is a signal to rekindle your ambitious and curious nature and not to be complacent in life or in a relationship. In the reverse position, laziness and poor craftsmanship are a few key themes. The Nine of Pentacles signifies independence, success, and luxury. It says that you have been working tirelessly to make your dreams come true and serves as an acknowledgement that all of your effort has paid off. You've earned all the luxuries that you will receive, and nobody can take that away from you. In the reverse position, this card symbolizes financial difficulty and isolation or loneliness. Ten of Pentacles is very similar to the Nine of Pentacles. However, while the Nine of Pentacles focuses on self-sufficiency, the Ten of Pentacles has to do with security within a community. Maybe you're coming into family money, or you finally have the chance to impart wisdom on a younger generation. Whatever it may mean for you, the Ten of Pentacles says the journey to stability is finally complete and you are ready to experience it. Share it with the people around you that you love. In the reverse position, a few key themes include instability and poor investments. The Page of Pentacles, or the Daughter of Pentacles. This card speaks to the motivation and ambition that drives your need to succeed. Through effort and diligence, your labors have created a worthwhile investment. In the reverse position, bad financial planning and idle hands are a few key themes. The Knight, or the Son of Pentacles, is someone who is dependable, hardworking, and consistent. This person takes their time when completing tasks and isn't afraid to get their hands dirty. It's usually a really good sign of slow and steady success. In the reverse position, this card represents laziness and being materialistic. The Queen of Pentacles, or the Mother of Pentacles, represents someone who's nurturing and financially savvy. They enjoy taking care of the people and things that they love and are able to find practical solutions to any sticky situation. In the reverse position, this card can represent someone irresponsible, self-centered, and bad with finances. The King, or the Father of Pentacles, is the quintessential sign of success and financial security. When you pull this card, you've hit the jackpot, but don't keep the secrets to your success hidden. The King of Pentacles, or Father of Pentacles, is someone who shares their financial wisdom to create wealth and opportunities for others. In the reverse position, this card symbolizes dishonesty and being financially undisciplined. All right, that wraps up the Pentacle suit in the Minor Arcana. There's so much more to dig into with the Pentacle suit in the Minor Arcana, but I do hope you found this video helpful and informative in providing a basic basic understanding of the major themes of each card. Be sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and feel free to check out my other videos for more magical content. See you next time. Stay blessed.